Hi Jordan, this is Jeff. I'm here to go ahead and review your blog, and I've got it pulled up right here, and really cool what you did here. In fact, I need to take some lessons from you. But anyway, so basically, I'm here to just to do some critiquing and take a look at if there's any what your strengths are, what challenges are with this. So let me go ahead and start with the two videos that need to be included. So you went ahead and did include those. The links worked. I was able to go through the alphabet video, the alphabet song, which is cool, and see it, say it, and sign it. Really cute videos, like those. And they seem to work just fine. And then it looks like you have an audio recording, so right away we could see right away it's up upper right hand corner. It stands out. I like the arrows. It's kind of the side. It really does stand out as a different color, as it does point out one of the requirements, and that did work as well. And then there was two links to the website that would help support your lesson plan towards the bottom. I did have to kind of look around. I mean, I love the colors, I love the layout, I love what you did, but it was just kind of, for me, it was just, it took me a second to look down and go, oh, wait a minute, lesson plan support, click here, okay, there's the finger, and then there's article 1, article 2. I may have used a different color for that, so it kind of jumps out a little bit more, maybe match up the same color as you use for the audio, kind of that pink color. It seems to jump out with your background. And then as far as the three attachments, if we go ahead and click up here, I can see right away that you attach the Caterpillar ABC worksheet, lowercase ABC worksheet, uppercase ABC worksheet, and then your week 8 lesson plan with the UDL grid. So great, you went ahead and attached those just as expected. And then I also saw that you had both the Colorado Content Standards and the ITSEs as well. The other thing I guess we're also looking at is a quick scan for the rubric. So she did lay out, Ms. Massey did lay out from 1 through 5 categories as far as what she's looking for, what's going to make this superior. As far as I really believe that all the graphics and images and the music and the videos related topic really did make it easier to understand, as I did go through each one of these steps as your links worked fine. So I say I give you a 5 on that. Required elements, as far as the poster, it included all the required elements, and I think you went over and above that because of the fact that you really made this appear like the lesson should be. As soon as I pulled this one up, I looked at it right away and I knew I had a good idea of what you were going to be teaching. So that did lead into the attractiveness of it. The poster is exceptionally attractive as far as the layout and the design and the overall impact. And then mechanics as far as your grammar and formatting. I saw that each one of these steps was very clear. I could see, just looking right at step 2, Caterpillar worksheet, asterisk, students will have a hard copy, digital access to the link. So right away you are providing the expectation and you're telling students what to do right there. So that was very easily understood. And as far as following the lesson plan, as far as the contact and GLOG, following the objective and the lesson plan and the stated outcome, I thought it was very clear. So with that being said, if I had to rate it from 1 to 5, it would be a 5. I really do think that you really did earn this one. You spent a lot of time with it. You put a lot of thought in it, especially in the lower left-hand corner, where instead of clicking on the link, you went ahead and listed out the standards 1 and standard, both those standards right there in the lower left-hand corner. Once again, the only feedback that I would really give you, I think as far as contact or the content, what you had in here was great. The visuals were great. All your links worked. Maybe the background could be just maybe a little bit lighter, so then I could see the standards, because it looks like you went ahead and used maybe a darker color. It was black, so it took me a second to squint and to read it. But other than that, the functionality and the overall objectives I really felt were met. So I really do hope that this was helpful, and I just think you really did a really good job with this one. So yeah, good job. All right, we'll see you later.